Welcome back to the Soul Dashboard. My name is Johann, and today we are covering the most important step for getting paid, creating and sending a professional invoice. To begin, navigate to the Sales section on the left-hand menu and select Invoices. This dashboard gives you an overview of all your invoices, including pending, paid, and overdue. To start, click the New Invoice button in the top right corner. You will be prompted to choose your creation method. Select Create Manually to customize everything from scratch. First, you must assign the invoice to a client. Use the search bar to select an existing contact. We'll choose AUD1 client and verify the autofill details. Next, define the financial terms. Set the invoice date, choose your payment terms. We'll set it to 14 days, which automatically calculates the due date. Now detail the items. Enter a clear item description such as project completed. Input the quantity and the price per unit. You can input a discount amount if needed. Note the prompt regarding GST. If the GST toggle is disabled, it means your tax settings need to be enabled globally before you can apply it to individual items. Next, you can set up advanced features. Enable follow-up work reminder to notify you or the client if future maintenance or follow-up is required. Crucially, you can enable the follow-up work reminder to notify you about maintenance or follow-up and also include a reminder message directly on the invoice, such as a reminder to kindly make payment per the payment term. You can set your payment method preferences here, choosing options like card payment via WorldPay, bank transfer, or direct payment. Finally, review the invoice total. When everything is accurate, click Save and Send to dispatch the professional invoice directly to your client, ensuring prompt payment. If you have any further questions on this process, please contact our support team. Thank you.